Hey guys, it's Jules, and today I am going to be doing a sort of natural beachy wave hair tutorial. I am actually not, for those of you who know me, I don't do anything with my hair, but this is for the occasions when I do decide I want to look a little more put together, per se. Because I always do my makeup, but then with my hair I air dry it and I go. This is more for the shorter to medium hair because my hair used to be shoulder length, like right here. So it kind of grew out a couple inches, but I still consider it to be short. So, for the life of me, I could not figure out how to style my hair because it was too short. I didn't want to curl it, or at least I didn't know the right way to curl it because I look like Shirley Temple. After a couple of times experimenting with different curling irons and such, I actually figured out what look flattered me the most, and it's what I'm gonna show you today. So let's get right to the video. Okay, so this right here is completely air dry. I took a shower last night. I basically, I just brushed it through. So I'm gonna split it down. There you go. Here we go. I'm gonna take a rubber band, just a basic rubber band, and I'm going to section off the first half. So I'm just taking the top section. I'm just gonna put that up in a bun. I like to section off because I feel like I get all the parts a little bit easier. I don't want to leave some straight pieces and then you have curl because you miss the straight pieces. I just am not a fan of that. So this is just easier to get like every piece of hair. I got the bottom half and I'm going to split it in segments right here, and I'm taking this curling iron. It is the 3/4 inch barrel, and so I'm just going to use this, but instead of using the clamp, because I've never really been a fan of the clamp because I just feel like it crimps your hair in a weird way. So I'm actually going to put it right here, and I'm going to start in like the root of my hair, of my head, and I'm going to wrap it away from the face, because when I have my hair, especially like the pieces that frame my face, I want it to frame away and not toward like in, because to me that kind of looks like, the first thing that pops in my head is George Washington and the wigs. Don't ask me why, it's just I don't want to look like that. So I'm going to take the barrel, I'm going to get the hair, and I'm going to curl it away just like so. And then you're going to wait about up to 8 to 10 seconds, and then you're going to, I like to cup it and then down. You got a little curl. So I'm going to do that for this whole bottom half, and I will be back with this whole segment done. Also, by the way, I just wanted to let you know, oh wait, wrong elbow, this one right here. I just got a little boo-boo because this is ice burn. Had a really bad fall, but let me tell you, I fall like this all the time. Really wasn't, it didn't hurt at all, so I was just more embarrassed than anything. But anyways, let's get back to it. So I'm just gonna curl this whole half and then I'll be right back. Alright, so this is all the pieces curled. And now what you're going to do, instead of having the curls just stay in like that one coiled position, I guess, I'm going to take the fingers and I'm going to back comb it kind of, just so that it can create that wavy look. I'll do that to the other side too. And then I am going to spray it, or hairspray it with, this is the Big Sexy Hair hairspray. It's a thickening hairspray. Just looks like this. I don't know what else to say, but I'm gonna shake it. So instead of just spraying it right on, I don't want to do that until my whole head is done, because then it's gonna get all like sticky or whatever hairspray does, and I don't like that feeling of crispy hair. So I'm gonna spray it onto my hand. I'm gonna rub it, and then I'm going to scrunch it up into my hair. Now I will be taking out the top section of my head, and I'm gonna split it down. Just making sure those other ones stay in the back. Some of them are just gonna, this is what's hard about having short hair. Whatever, they're there. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side first. And so for this one, I'm gonna do the same exact thing, just brush it out so you can piece it out easier. And I'm gonna start from the back, split it in a section, and I'm only gonna be curling away from the head. Ah! Fail. Oh, did you hear that? This is why I don't do my hair. This is hurting me. Okay. Never did I think I would do a hair tutorial, but I want to be an all-around well-rounded beauty guru here. I'm just not gonna stick to makeup. For the front section of my face, since this is the main section that's going to be framing it, I want to make sure that it's not too thick or thin of a piece. I'm gonna wrap it away from the face and just hold it there. And same thing, I'm going to back comb. I'm gonna take the spray, and instead I'm just gonna take this whole section, including the bottom half. I'm gonna spray behind it. And you kind of want to let it run through. You don't want to put on top because it's just gonna deflate the hair. So instead you're gonna pick it up and you're gonna go. And then after that you're gonna scrunch it up. I'm gonna go do the other section, and this is always a harder one. Everyone has a side that's harder. For me it's this one because I'm left-handed. So hopefully I don't burn myself and kill myself. Okay, so next what I like to do is kind of compare, since this is the part that's framing the face, and you see how this is a little more curled at the top rather than this. So I'm just going to go back over this section, and that means I need to make the curl a little bit tighter so it can match this side. So that's what I'm going to do. And now it matches. Easy fix. I'm going to spray my hair again using the same hairspray, and I'm going to flip my hair over because I'm going to spray the back side of my hair and then spray the back, and then you're going to scrunch it up. That just creates even more volume. Now I would say, you know, you can be done after this, but I want to put even more volume. This, girl, I am all about the volume. I just need volume everywhere. Voluminous lashes, like my last video. If you want to go check out my back to school makeup tutorial, I can put the link in below. So I'm going to be using dry shampoo in the roots of my head. And this is Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I love this because I'm not a person to take a shower every single day. It's not good for your hair because it just gets rid of the oils that are needed, you know, for hair growth. I use this for second day hair, and this is not second day hair, but I just want more volume. So I'm going to start on this side. You want to spray it in the roots, and you just want to section it off. You're gonna let that all just soak into your scalp for about 5 minutes, so it's similar to baking. Literally all of this I'm just relating to makeup because that's what I'm best at, but I'm trying here, okay? So yeah, just you're gonna wait 5 minutes, have a dance party. Alright, after that very cringy singing show concert I just gave y'all, I wouldn't even go to my own concert, to be honest with you. That has pretty much been on my head for a little while, so it soaked up the excess oils, and now you can just run your... Ow. Jesus. I'm gonna be bald by the end of this video. And you are left with big, massive, vivacious curls. Look at this. So this is the finished look. This is basically what I do when I decide that I want to do my hair. I like to, I mean, I know I framed my face specifically in that part, but I just, you know, have fun with it, and I kind of flip it over the side, the other side. There's never one way my hair stays. Throughout the day, I'm just messing with it. This is why it's always up in a bun, because I really just could care less. But I am trying to just, that's a goal of mine. It's just to do my hair a little bit more because I don't want to abandon it. You know, I do my face, so I need to do my hair too. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys have any ideas as to what you guys would like to see in the future, leave it in the comments below, especially for future video ideas. And I have some ideas already, like in mind, but if you guys would like to see anything, just leave it in the comments below and I'll definitely get on top of that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye.